I'm going to show you guys some layer styles. What they do is they affect the pixels on your layer in kind of a mathy way. They're related to paths and shapes because it's just math being applied to the pixels that are drawn. Um, so the way you access them, probably this has happened to you before, is you've actually just double clicked on the layer when you meant to either double click on the text or this. When you double click different things, it does different stuff. So uh, it's likely you've accidentally double clicked and had this pop up and you didn't look at what it was, you just clicked it away. But it's actually a really, really powerful tool. So I'm going to kind of move it off to the side here so you can sort of see what it does. But there's a list of all these things that are pretty nice. So like drop shadow kind of makes your thing sort of hover. That's kind of nice. You could do, there's also inner glow, inner shadow. That works better if you've got something light. So let's maybe make this color darker and make this light. That's not so good. That's awful. Um, um, but you can bevel emboss inside, inner bevel, to kind of make it look like it's standing off. So this is all it's just adding pixels in a particular direction, and you can move, what direction it is, change the color, all that stuff. So these are pretty cool features. They can help make your icon look dimensional, or you could add a gradient. So this is opacity. So that lightens it up a little bit. Multiply all the normal layer features. So that's kind of cool. It gets a little bit lighter. So it just does a lot of stuff, and it's non-destructive, which is cool. Which means you can just turn them off. So if you got multiple effects, you can kind of toggle back and forth between. That's not really doing a whole lot, but you can toggle them on and off. Pretty powerful stuff. Layer styles.